Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to analyze the competition of our keyword. As in the last video we have collected some keywords. Here all keywords in Excel sheet. I have also collected some more keyword with the average monthly search. So we are going to analyze the competition for this keyword, that if the competition is high or medium or low. So we are going to use some Firefox add-on and also analyze with some web-based tools like Open Site Explorer, Majestic SEO and Ahref. Okay, so this is the manual way to analyze the keyword competition. So just copy any keyword, say best budget gaming laptop. Okay, copy your keyword, go to Google and search for the keyword. And before you see anything, like the first thing we need to do is install a plugin for Firefox, and the plugin name is Jetpack for Firefox. It's an SEO extension of Firefox add-on. Okay, so we are going to install that thing. So to install it, type Jetpack for Firefox. And here's the second link, Jetpack SEO extension. Click on it. And click this green button, Add to Firefox. It will ask you to allow or not allow. Make sure you choose allow and install it. Okay, install now. And Firefox will ask you to restart the Firefox in order to work the plugin. And here, right in the section, you will get some icon like this, Jetpack. Okay, restart. Oops. Okay. Alright, this is the, if you don't find an icon here, make sure you go to right click anywhere, right click here anywhere, and go to customize, and you will find our icon here, Jetpack. Just drag this icon and drop it anywhere. Okay, done. Now as soon as I install this plugin, I'm getting some result here. Okay, so we are going to analyze the SEO competition for this keyword, best budget gaming laptop. So the first thing to check is that our keyword is present in the title and in the meta description. So our keyword is best budget gaming laptop. There is no S. Please make sure that there is no S, and our keyword is best budget gaming laptop. So for the H1 result, there is nowhere in the title. The best is here, and then laptops, 30 top laptops for every budget, best gaming laptop, and nowhere in the meta description as well. Let's go to second one, but it contained the best gaming laptop but no budget gaming laptop. We are looking for the exact same keyword. It's a long tail keyword, and we are looking for the same keyword in the title. In this is the title and this is the description. So we are looking that if this keyword is available in the title as well as in the meta description. If you find so, it means that the competition is very high. But if we are not getting the exact result, it means that the competition is medium or low. Okay, so in the H1 result, there is nowhere in the meta description, in the title as well as in the second, but second result contain budget gaming laptops, but there is no best here. It's here. Okay, the third result contain our keyword but best cheap gaming laptop, and we are looking for budget. Okay, so there is nowhere in the top 10 result the exact phase. Okay, now the next thing is make sure you also check the URL. The URL is this thing here. And if you find your keyword in the URL, like this post is focusing on the keyword best cheap gaming laptops, and it contained the keyword in title, in the URL, but if you go to the post, and yes, it do contain in the text here. Okay, so this website here is targeting for the best cheap gaming laptop for 2014. As you can see, it's bold here. The same keyword is in the H1 or heading 1 or title, and the same keyword in the URL of this page. Okay, let me close this thing. And the next thing is the plugin we install. We can also check through this plugin as this web page here, not the particular domain but the whole URL. The page rank of this website is 4. There is 0 link for this URL. The second thing, denote that the how many URL are there. Yes, it's a Google link. So how many backlinks are for this website? The Yahoo links, the Bing links, the Alexa rank of the domain, the site age, the Twitter tweets for this particular post, the Facebook share and likes for this particular post, the Google plus sign 9, and if this website include a sitemap. Okay, so we can also analyze by going like we want to work on this keyword and we find this very helpful. So now we are going to analyze the competition. So we have seen that there is not much competition for this keyword, and if you find some high competitive keyword and don't want to install this plugin, you can also use some websites like Backlink Watch and Ahrefs. Okay, after you visit to these website, now go to any website like this one. So this is, no, let's take the first one. Click on the link, copy the URL, copy, go to Backlink Watch, paste your URL and check the backlinks for the particular web page, not for the website. Go to Ahref, paste it here and try it for free. You can register an account on Ahref. So for this particular URL, there are only 49 backlink and 9G plus 7 Twitter tweets, retweets, 153 Facebook likes and 476 Facebook share. And if you go to down, you can see what are the countries that have the backlink. So this is the South Africa, this one is United Kingdom, and this one is Sweden. So this website is creating backlinks or created the backlinks in these countries, and the anchor text of the backlink is best gaming laptop. The quantity of the anchor text is 27% from 100. Best gaming laptop. Make sure that these are not same keyword. This one contains S and this one doesn't. So the percent of this anchor text backlink is 20. Best gaming laptops 5%. There is a 5 here. Best laptop 25 top, and these are the anchor text. Okay, if you go to Backlink Watch, it says that there is no backlink, or maybe the backlinks are not indexed by this website here. And if you want to check the backlinks, you can go and click this 49 backlink. For the free subscription, you can see the top 10 backlinks. Okay, so these are the backlinks on these website. On these website, you can check what are the websites that have the backlink of your website. So for this website, the backlinks are on these website with this is the anchor text, the URL, and the referring title and the referring URL. If you visit this page, okay, and the title is best laptop 25. Let me copy this thing and search for it. Okay, we found one. Let me close this thing, and if I hover this thing, you can see here that what is the link for. Okay, as I am hovering, and you can see that this is the same website, the Tech Aadhaar. If I click this thing, we will navigate to the link. Yep. So by this way, we can analyze the competition. So this is a low competition keyword. By going to Ahref, it says that it only have 49 backlinks. Sorry, yep, 49 backlinks. And if you want to analyze some other website, like this is a category, so we are not going to analyze this thing. This is a URL, so click on it, copy the whole URL, go to ahref, paste it here, and search for the links. So for this, what is this? For the #3 result of Google for this keyword, it is ranking with only 2 backlinks, and this is the URL rank of this page, the ahref domain rank, the total backlink. There is no G+, 4 tweets, 0 Facebook like, 0 Facebook share, and the anchor text is best cheap gaming laptops 20, 50%, best cheap gaming laptop in 2014 under $1,000, 50%. And if we go to total backlinks, we can also check what are the backlinks and where it has. So the website has backlink on this website and on this website with the anchor text this thing and this thing. Okay, you can also visit and check. Let me copy the anchor text and search for it. Yep, this is the anchor text, and if I hover, you can check here what is the website. So it is ng4.com.news and ng4.com.news. Okay, so this is the manual way to analyze the backlink, and it's a good keyword, best budget gaming laptops with low competition. We can rank easily by creating 50 good backlinks and giving some social media. Okay, so this is the manual way to analyze the competition of your keyword, and in the next video we will analyze the competition through a desktop application. This is the manual way. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. One more thing, if you want to download this plugin, I will also add this plugin URL in the supplementary section or in the description of this video. Okay.